Oh, it's being
Incoming.
Charging shields. Placing gas trap.
Jenkins taking this.
Reach.
Yeah.
Now, rápidamente.
throwing their balls at me.
At me. Shields recharging.
I didn't go as far as I wanted to. Wait, this isn't. Oh, this is our caustic.
It is.
No.
I thought it was.
Crack the subject. My vision is clear. Down one.
They're reviving on the door.
Shots.
Shields recharging.
Gas trap deployed.
Those buttholes.
Ah. That's so annoying. Fucking caustic.
Placing an independent
I
variable.
fucking hated our caustic. I'm running through gas that isn't his.
Okay, bad.
Hooligan on top of us.
Said
Yo.
they're running.
Egypt there. Got some materials for us.
No, I'm not playing with Sean right now. This is Zed. I'm playing with Zed right now.
Shields are recharging.
Sean's asleep.
Spotted the subject right here.
Oh, who the fuck is rezzing? Not Shrimp mistaking you for Sean, Zed. That's crazy.
Oh.
They're both soft-spoken, but they have different accents completely.
Subject
Oh, I just landed on my fucking head. You don't even know who to fucking shoot first. You know what? I'll give you the honor. You fucking bitch.
I still see everything.
The lifeline literally landed on my head.
No! Did that hurt? Reloading. All those numpties are down for the count.
Participants have reduced by.
Just a tick.
Who's
the hell?
flying?
Let's shift her
Oh,
on.
right here.
Here's a
Liar.
wee numpty.
The throw jump out at least. Come on. Boost me.
94.
Cracked a bad dude's shield.
Look at those little bats.
Going in. Throwing jump pad. Got trouble here. Taking fire.
Reloading.
Yeah.
That was the last of that
You're.
squad. Gonna put away this shield. Need more juice. Using a Phoenix.
Here.
Here. And I have no red list.
FPS are coming.
Is there no more jump tower here? Why did they remove it?
Because they didn't fix it for like 3